There is a quiet, intense panic spreading through the premium smartphone industry right now, and it is happening because a single device has just crossed a boundary that everyone thought was impossible for a pocket-sized piece of glass and metal. For years, the mobile landscape has followed a highly predictable mechanical routine. 5% better low-light photography, a slightly thinner bezel, a marginally faster processor, and a new color option to drive seasonal upgrade cycles. We accepted it. We assumed that the smartphone format had reached its absolute physical peak, and that meaningful, jaw-dropping innovation was dead. But behind the highly guarded doors of Apple Park, a completely different reality was being engineered. They were not looking to build another incremental smartphone. They were executing a hostile takeover of professional imaging, personal computing, and spatial intelligence. That reality has officially broken cover in the form of the Apple iPhone 18 Pro Max. This is not just a phone. It is an absolute termination point for legacy mobile technology. It challenges every single law of physics regarding thermal dynamics, computational lens optics, and local device power. If you have been holding on to an older device waiting for the definitive moment to upgrade, or if you are looking at your current setup trying to figure out if you are falling behind, you need to listen very closely. Because the iPhone 18 Pro Max does not just raise the baseline of the premium experience, it completely obliterates it, leaving competing devices looking like relics from a distant era. To fully comprehend the sheer scale of the disruption happening here, you have to look straight past the refined chassis and dive directly into the architectural masterclass hidden beneath the glass. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is powered by the terrifyingly fast A20 Pro silicon. This chip is built on a highly advanced, ultra-dense sub-2 nanometer process node that packs an astronomical number of transistors into a space smaller than a fingernail. Traditional smartphone architectures are plagued by a fundamental physics problem. The moment you push them with intensive workloads, they generate immense heat, causing the system to aggressively drop its clock speeds to keep from damaging itself. Apple threw the old thermal playbook into the trash. The A20 Pro features a revolutionary internal graphite and titanium heat dissipation matrix that pulls thermal energy away from the core compute units with miraculous efficiency. The core configuration balances high-performance execution blocks with hyper-optimized efficiency cores in a layout that completely eliminates system latency. When you are performing basic tasks, the chip sips power so slowly that the battery indicator remains completely static. But the microsecond you demand raw power, the high-performance cores engage with a level of computational violence that defies physical logic. The operating system responds to your inputs with a fluid, jarring instantaneousness that removes the digital friction between your thoughts and the screen. But where this machine completely separates itself from everything that came before it is in its radical, completely overhauled graphics processing unit. Apple has integrated next-generation hardware-accelerated ray tracing, advanced mesh shading, and an unyielding, high-bandwidth dynamic memory architecture. If you are a mobile creator, a developer, or a hardcore gamer, this completely shifts your expectations of handheld performance. This GPU handles complex three-dimensional environments, realistic lighting structures,